sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth, and if you're new, welcome. This month I'm on a big road trip, beginning in California, ending in Pennsylvania, with a lot of stops along the way, so my sewing room had to shrink quite a bit. So far we've seen a lot of beautiful country, and I really had to figure out how I was going to travel light this month. This is my sewing box. I packed a lot of handwork, and I will have an opportunity to sew with other quilters when I get to Pennsylvania, but in the meantime, on the way there and on the way back, this is all I will have to work with. I brought some applique projects, and I also brought some yarn just in case I decided to do a little baby blanket Afghan. I do like working on Afghans when I'm traveling, so I did bring a variety of yarns. Nothing started yet, but I thought I'd have it in case I wanted to begin that little baby blanket. I love these zipper bags that I found on Amazon, and that's how I organized all my projects. And here's a project that was given to me by Doris. She gave me a whole lot of these Dresden plates. They're all the same, and I wanted to make them a little bit scrappy. So what I did before I left is I cut some squares for the background, and I have a variety of squares, and I will be appliquing these beautiful Dresden plates onto my background fabric. If I finish doing my applique, I hope to sew some half square triangles for some sashing for these Dresden plates. I dug around in my stash and I brought some 3.5 inch squares so that I could make some 3-inch half square triangles when I am sewing in Pennsylvania. I did a little bit of applique this morning at my campground, and this is such a simple, small project to bring since the Dresden plates were already completed, and I believe they were completed a long time ago. According to Doris, all I needed was some needle and thread, and I have some pins to secure the Dresden plate to the background square, and I will enjoy sewing these together as we travel. Today we enjoyed a Navajo taco in New Mexico, and I will continue stitching my Dresden plates as we drive along. While we were having lunch, I noticed these beautiful paintings on the wall, and they remind me of quilts. So pretty, so I took some pictures to take a memory back home with me. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.